What is a vehicle body type? A vehicle body type refers to the overall shape and design of a vehicle. It influences passenger capacity, cargo space, performance, practicality, and intended use. Toyota Camry is a four-door sedan with a separate luggage compartment or boot. It is a comfortable passenger vehicle and uses as commonly used as family car. Have you ever traveled a sedan before? If you did, you must know the feeling. Two-door sedan. Most modern sedans are four-door passenger vehicles with a separate luggage compartment. Historically, two-door sedan designs has also existed and were common in earlier vehicle generations, like this one in the photo. Renault Clio RS is one of an example of a hatchback. A hatchback car has a rear hatch door, a flexible cargo area, and a compact design, and it is most popular for city driving. What advantages might a hatchback have over a sedan? Have you ever tried loading a bicycle, flat pack furniture, or large boxes into a sedan? A hatchback makes this much easier because the rear hatch opens into a large cargo area. Combined with its compact size, a hatchback offers practicality, flexibility, and easy maneuverability for everyday driving. A coupe or coupe, it has a sporty appearance. A coupe vehicle is a passenger car that traditionally features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and a fixed, sloping rear roofline. It is defined by its sportier look and proportions compared to a standard sedan. A sports utility vehicle or SUV combines the comfort of a passenger car with the practicality of a larger vehicle. Its higher seating position, spacious interior, and increased cargo capacity make it a popular choice for families, long distance travel, and recreational activities. A utility vehicle, commonly known as a ute in Australia or a pickup truck in America, is designed to carry both passengers and cargo. It features a separate rear cargo tray that can be used to transport tools, equipment, and other loads. Its combination of practicality, versatility, and everyday comfort has made it one of the most popular vehicle types for work, for family use, and for outdoor activities. A van is designed to carry more passengers or cargo than most other vehicle types. Its large box-shaped body provides a spacious interior, making it ideal for transporting people, goods, tools, and equipment. This versatility makes vans a popular choice for businesses, delivery services, and passenger transport. Now that you've learned about the different vehicle body types, let's see how well you can apply that knowledge. As you look at each vehicle, think about its purpose and why it was designed that way. In this lesson, we've learned that different vehicle body types are designed for different purposes. By understanding their features and applications, we can better identify vehicles and understand why they are built the way they are. Thank you for joining this lesson. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and follow Primestar Automotive for future automotive training content. Join us as we continue learning through the Primestar Automotive Fundamental series. Remember, make better today than yesterday, and tomorrow better than today. Thank you.